So let's try our shortened quotient rule on a quotient function, g of x. Right here, g of x is 2x over the square root of x plus 3, and we're asked to find g prime of 1, a very similar problem to the previous one. So what should we do? Well, I'm going to rewrite this a little bit. Of course, we're going to say, well, y is equal to u over v, but we're going to use u over v, replacing u and v, and let's let u be the numerator. That's 2x. So we would say that u prime is equal to 2. If we make v equal to the square root of x plus 3, I'm going to rename it as x to the 1/2 plus 3. And when I take my derivative, v prime is going to be, let's see, 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2. We subtract 1 from the exponent. So, using my rule, we're going to find the following. Y prime, that's the derivative of y with respect to x, is going to be equal to, it says u prime v, so that's 2 times x to the 1/2 plus 3, minus, let's see, v prime u. V prime, that's 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2. V prime u. U is 2x. All right, not so bad. All divided by the square of the denominator, which is x to the 1/2 plus 3 squared. So we square that entire quantity. Now let's simplify this a little bit. Y prime, what is that? Well, let's go back to our radical notation. I think we're done using our x to the 1/2, so we can take the root. We're going to have 2 times the square root of x plus 6. And we're subtracting from that 1/2 times 2, that's just 1. X to the negative 1/2 times x, don't forget, if we take x to the negative 1/2 and we multiply that by x, that's x to the first, we add the exponents, so we get negative 1/2 plus 1. So that's just positive 1/2. Well, x to the positive 1/2 is the square root of x. So we're subtracting from this the square root of x. And all of this is over the square root of x plus 3 quantity squared. So I'm going to simplify this and say, well, g prime of x will actually be the square root of x plus 6 divided by the square root of x plus 3 squared. Now, nothing's going to cancel here because even though these are temptingly similar, they are not the same. So nothing can cancel right here. But we can at least evaluate g prime of 1 by making a substitution. G prime of 1 will be the square root of 1 plus 6 divided by the square of the square root of 1 plus 3. Well, what's the square root of 1? Yeah, that's right. We're just talking about 1 plus 6 over 1 plus 3 squared, which is to say 7 divided by 4 squared, that's 16. So g prime of 1 is equal to 7/16, and we're done.